guys, my name is Manish and welcome back to your favorite show, Planet Bollywood, your one-stop shop for all the latest news, views and updates from the world of Bollywood and social media. We have a great show lined up, but before that, I do want to remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates and on-the-go updates about your favorite celebrities. And on that note, here are our top stories. Salman Khan signs 230 crore deal for Radhe. Sanjay Dutt refuses special treatment on sets of KGF 2. Zaid Darbar will travel to Lucknow to spend New Year's Eve with wife Gauhar. Disha Patani and Tiger Shroff flaunt their toned physiques by the beach. Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai is a much-awaited film, and now we hear that Salman Khan has signed a deal with a leading studio selling the satellite, theatrical, digital and music rights of the movie for a whopping 230 crores. Ever since he resumed work, Salman Khan has been working round the clock trying to finish scenes for Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai and beginning the shoot for Antim, the final truth that also features his brother-in-law Ayush Sharma. Radhe, which was to release on Eid this year, was delayed by the pandemic and lockdown, and now it seems that the film is in post-production with an Eid 2021 release being planned. Salman has decided to take this opportunity to secure a great deal for the film's release. Take a look. Salman had shot for 15 days in Karjat and Mumbai to complete the shoot of Radhe with his co-star Disha Patani, who plays the female lead, and Jackie Shroff had also been spotted on the sets of the film. While we will have to wait for at least another 6 months before we get to see the film, Salman has been working behind the scenes to secure a great deal for the film's release and distribution. In spite of the financial crunch the film industry is facing, a leading studio has coughed up 230 crores for Radhe's satellite, theatrical, digital and music rights. Given that it is a Salman film that's likely to get them great returns, it seems that the studio didn't have to think twice about making this decision. Salman had been in discussion with the studio for quite a few months and looks like they managed to crack a deal just before the year ends. Interesting baat ye hai that it was YRF who was supposed to release Radhe globally, but now another studio has managed to secure all the rights to the film. According to a source, it's a blanket deal and a beginning of a partnership for the two. Salman's production, Kagaz, featuring Pankaj Tripathi 2, is seeing a premiere on the studio's streaming platform. He also has a multi-film satellite deal with his last 3 releases, Race 3, Bharat and Dabangg 3. Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai is the official remake of a Korean film, and in addition to Salman, Disha and Jackie Shroff, the movie will feature Randeep Hooda as the antagonist. Salman, who is currently filming for Antim, will begin work on his next big project, Tiger 3, in March, before beginning the promotions for Radhe, which will release almost a year late in Eid next year. क्या दीपिका और रणवीर आलिया और रणबीर की सगाई अटेंड करने राजस्थान में है? Has the much-in-love couple finally decided to put a ring on it and make their relationship official with close friends and family in attendance? With so many of Alia and Ranbir's loved ones staying together in one hotel, we can't help but hear the Sagai ki Shehnai. Alia and Ranbir met on the sets of Brahmastra, and Cupid's arrow struck the couple soon enough. Though Alia had always spoken about how much she admired Ranbir, Ranbir was in a long-term relationship with Alia's then bestie Katrina Kaif. But जब 2017 में उन दोनों को साथ काम करने का मौका मिला, the two fell in love, and in a recent interview, Ranbir even admitted कि वो दोनों एक serious relationship में हैं और बहुत ही जल्द शादी करने वाले हैं. So, is that why the Kapoor and Bhatt clans have gathered together in Ranthambore, or is this just one big celebration for the New Year's? Well, let's find out. Alia and Ranbir were spotted leaving the city with Neetu Kapoor, Ranbir's sister Ridhima and her daughter Samaira, and Alia's sister Shaheen and mom Soni Razdan. The group was then spotted in Jaipur, where they landed via a chartered flight. After director Ayan Mukherjee was also spotted in Jaipur, logon ko laga that the team was shooting for Brahmastra and spending the New Year's together. But when Deepika and Ranveer were also spotted landing into Jaipur, things started to look a bit different. Ranveer and Deepika ko Jaipur mein dekh ke rumors started growing stronger that they had arrived to attend Alia and Ranveer's engagement. Ranveer's mom Neetu Singh shared a picture on social media where she posed with Ranveer and Ranveer, confirming that Deep Veer have joined the Bhatt Kapoor clan at their hotel in Ranthambore. Alia's sister Shaheen and mother Soni Razdan also shared pictures on their social media feed from the bonfire night. According to the grapevine, Alia ke papa Mahesh Bhatt is already at Ranthambore and mentor Karan Johar is expected to take a flight from Goa soon. According to sources who revealed details about what may be going on, they are all staying together in Ranthambore. At first, we thought it's a vacation to bring in the New Year's. But with a full attendance of RK and Alia's close pals, we are forced to think if they are getting engaged today. Given that so many of Ranbir's and Alia's family members and friends have flown to the same location and are staying together in the same hotel, हमें भी शक है कि शायद दोनों की शादी से रिलेटेड कोई फंक्शन जरूर हो रहा है. However, Ranbir's uncle Randhir Kapoor has denied rumors of an engagement and reportedly told a publication that these are all just false rumors. Alia's mom Soni Razdan also refused to comment on the matter. Ranbir and Alia's fans were delighted when the Sanju star confessed recently that if not for the pandemic, he and his girlfriend Alia would have been married this year. RK said, I think it would have already been sealed if the pandemic had not hit our lives. But I don't want to jinx it by saying anything. I want to tick mark that goal very soon in my life. Looks like उनका इशारा अपनी सगाई की तरफ था, and we can't wait to get some confirmations or the first pictures from Ranbir Alia's sagai. Sanjay Dutt has proven that he is a hero not just on screen but off screen as well. The actor who battled a life-threatening illness recently refused to take any special treatment on the sets of KGF 2 and insisted on doing all the stunts himself. Sanjay Dutt may be in his 60s, but the actor is showing absolutely no signs of slowing down. His films Sadak 2 and Torbaz released online this year, and he's looking forward to the OTT release of Bhuj, Pride of India as well. Now, though he took a break to deal with a health setback, he is now back to work in full swing. Take a look. As soon as he made a full recovery, Sanjay travelled immediately to Bengaluru to complete shooting for KGF 2, where he plays the antagonist Adhira. The makers have created a massive set to film the climax of the movie, but given Sanjay's recent ill health, the makers suggested that the action scenes be simplified and that the actor use a body double to film certain scenes of the climax. But Sanju, ever the hero, refused this offer and reportedly told the director, "Don't insult me by suggesting that I'm not capable of doing the action scenes. I will do them exactly the way they were written, no compromises, no cheating." The actor also refused a body double and did all the action scenes by himself. According to sources on the set, क्लाइमैक्स जिस लोकेशन पे शूट हो रहा था वहां बहुत धूल मिट्टी थी and the main lead Yash suggested that Sanjay's shots be filmed only after the whole place was cleaned and made dust free. लेकिन संजू बाबा ने इस बात का भी विरोध किया and said audiences को डिफरेंस पता चल जाएगा. How will it look on screen if my shots are cleaned out? The audience is too clever. They can make out the tampering. He reportedly told Yash and the makers, impressing them with his professionalism and dedication to the project. Yash has shared in an interview that Sanjay is a real fighter and role model. Gauhar Khan and Zaid Darbar have been husband and wife for less than a week. And after a simple but spectacular wedding ceremony, the couple is busy sharing lots of pictures from their wedding photo shoot and some fun behind the scenes moments with their fans. Gauhar Khan may have resumed work almost immediately after her wedding, but the Nai Naveli Dulhan can't stop sharing moments from her special day with her one and only Zaid. Gauhar and Zaid have shared how love blossomed between the two of them during the pandemic, and after dating each other for just a few months, they decided to say I do and live happily ever after. Here's the story. After sharing lots of pictures from their wedding photo shoot where they looked like absolute royalty, Gauhar also shared some adorable pictures of herself and Zaid in matching t-shirts that said hubby and wifey. It was refreshing to see the couple looking relaxed in casual clothes after a week of wearing heavy wedding clothes. While all the photos and videos from their wedding have been lovely, one particular picture of the couple really had us smiling from ear to ear. वैसे तो दिलवाले दुल्हनिया को अपनी बाहों में उठा लेते हैं, but in this picture, Gauhar is seen carrying her groom and smiling away. Gauhar captioned the post, "In the good, in the bad, in weakness and in strength, @Zaid Darbar." Gauhar was spotted leaving Mumbai for Lucknow a few days ago as she resumed work after taking time off to get married. The actor will also be working on the 31st of December, but thankfully unke Mia unhe Lucknow mein join karenge to celebrate their first New Year's together. The actor, while speaking about working through the holiday period, said in an interview that she is fortunate to be blessed with an understanding husband. The actor also shared her plans for New Year's Eve and said, "I'm always working on my New Year's Eve every year. This year, I'm shooting for my film in Lucknow and Zaid will be joining me there on the 31st of December, just for the day while I continue shooting." Gauhar and Zaid got married on Christmas Day, and though the celebrations included just their immediate family and close friends, the couple's stunning designer outfits and dreamy-looking wedding pictures have been going viral on social media. People have also shared clips from the functions where the couple danced to many romantic tracks, and Gauhar even did an impromptu dance on her song from the movie Ishq Zadeh. Here's wishing the couple a very happy married life and lots of best wishes for a lifetime of happiness together. Tiger Shroff and Disha Patani are one of those couples who prefers to deny their rather obvious relationship, but sadly posting pictures from the same holiday destination but minus each other is not really fooling their fans. Disha and Tiger have been soaring the temperature on social media by posting videos and photos of their highlighted and carefully sculpted bodies. Take a look. Tiger and Disha have reportedly been dating for quite some time now, and though they get spotted together on a regular basis and are even clicked leaving and returning from holidays together, the couple refuses to pose together when on vacation or accept कि उन्हें एक दूसरे से प्यार है. After a quick trip to Dubai, it seems that the good-looking couple has jetted off for another holiday to bring in the New Year's together. Though they didn't post any pictures together, we have now learnt to put the two-piece and one-piece wale photos together and figure it out. Disha raised temperatures on social media as she shared a sensational picture of herself in a yellow bikini. Disha seems to be channeling a popular superhero as she struck a pose on a surfboard and held an oar in the other hand, like a staff or trident. Disha directly camera की तरफ नहीं देख रही है, but the stylish pose perfectly highlights her well-toned physique. She captioned her post, "Aquaman feels." Not surprisingly, the picture got over 800 lakh likes in just an hour and continues to trend on social media. Disha also shared pictures of herself looking stunning in a black swimsuit with no makeup and another picture where she is wearing a white top and posing in front of lush green leaves. The actor had also shared a short video clip earlier of herself grooving to the music on the beachside in a black outfit with just the right kind of neckline to add the oomph factor. While the actor is having a good time by the beach, it looks like she is not alone. Sagar Kinare unke saath hai Tiger Shroff, who shared a rather eye-popping video of himself running towards the beach in his swimming costume with his sculpted abs on full display. Tiger is undoubtedly one of the fittest actors in Bollywood and his passion for keeping his body buff is well known. Looks like vacation पे भी अपने physique को maintain कर रहे हैं Tiger, who also posted a picture of himself जहां उनके abs फिर हैं spotlight में. Looks like बीच के अलावा दोनों के बीच में एक और बात भी common है that they just love flaunting their hard-earned physiques that they have created after spending many hours at the gym. Here's wishing these two fit and fab celebs advanced New Year's greetings. Well, दोस्तों अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere. We have a lot more on the other side. मलाइका अरोरा के साथ न्यू ईयर स्पेंड करने आप पहुंचे हैं करण जौहर. The producer-director was spotted in pictures shared by Malaika on her social media handle, and it looks like after a rough year, the Dharma head honcho is all set to relax with his friends by the beach. Malaika Arora is making the most of her getaway from the city as she swims, stretches and enjoys the relaxing vibe of Goa and her sister's fabulous beach house, which also features a stunning swimming pool as well. Malaika के साथ Christmas celebrate करने के लिए आए हैं Arjun Kapoor, who has also been posting pictures from the stunning holiday home, and now joining the party is the big man himself, Karan Johar, who has just landed in time to kickstart the festivities. Take a look. Malaika, who has been enjoying lots of quality time with her sister Amrita, her parents and her son Arhan, shared updates on social media about Karan joining the celebrations. Malaika and Amrita posed for the camera in comfy kaftans, while Karan seemed to be wearing a shirt with butterflies on it. Calling herself, Karan and her sister Arpita eternal posers, Malaika अपने दोस्त को गोवा में पाकर बहुत खुश हैं. But it looks like Karan won't be staying for too long, and if the grapevine is to be believed, Kjo is flying to Jaipur. The diva also posted some pictures of herself in a lime green two-piece outfit as she posed in the balcony of the property they are living in. Malaika, who shared these new pictures on social media, looks fresh and relaxed as she wore a giant pendant with an M and gold-tinted sunglasses that gave her the perfect beachside holiday look. Malaika also shared a stunning picture of herself in a green and black animal print swimming costume as she posed by the swimming pool and showed off her perfectly toned legs and arms. But it seems like the actor turned reality show judge is not just posing for pictures and having a good time. She's also making sure to work out regularly and shared updates from her yoga by the pool routine. The actor, who shares a new yoga pose every Monday, made sure to keep up her commitment to fitness even on vacation, and also shared a picture of herself with her friend and trainer after an aqua workout session in the pool. Looks like it's going to be a fun-filled New Year's party for Malaika and her group of family and friends. We can't wait to see all the updates on social media in the days to come. And with that, guys, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood. We will be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. लेकिन जाते जाते मैं आपको remind करना चाहता हूँ to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Until then, stay safe, stay home, and ciao.